now we up how to install the MySword to the phone. Okay, download here, open. So it said that it's not allowed because it's outside, but it's trusted sources, so don't worry about that. So go to setting and uninstall app from Zalo. So okay, accepted. So install this app. Need to access the file, of course. You save it in SD card, or you can save it in just click OK. The style whatsoever, and then next, and next, and next. Okay, on the Bible that you need to download in the first time. Okay, we just select some. Okay, and do not install on the Bible, it will be a lot. Okay, we'll start downloading. Done. Okay, so close it one. So we have the complete Bible here. Okay, we have only one Bible. We have let's say commentaries. We don't have any commentaries. Dictionary we don't have yet also. So now we go to the Bible here. We try to open it. Extract Bibles. Okay, so we have Greek Bibles, Hebrews Bible, King James 10 Wood Voice Bible. Okay, so we copy the King James 10 Wood Voice Bible here. So we copy it. Okay, where we going to put? We put in MySword here, Bibles, you paste here, copy here, there. So you add King James over here, 10 Wood Voice. What else? We go back to Zalo again. We add some dictionary, open dictionary. Okay, extract, and then we open dictionary. We have strong dictionary here for the 10 Wood Voice. So we copy it. Go back to Zalo again. To the MySword again. MySword dictionary. Okay, copy here. So now we open the MySword again. Let's see. Okay. Now we go to our Bible. We already have the King James 10 Wood Voice Bible here. Okay, see, and then you can have dictionary here already. Okay. There you go.